Welcome to the channel Biologica Neet tutorial. Today we are discussing chapter number 1, Reproduction in Animals. Question number 1, in which type of reproduction, single parent, is essential for reproduction? 1. Asexual. 2. Sexual. 3. Vegetative. 4. Fragmentation. The answer is 1. Asexual. Question number 2, one of Planaria's most remarkable characteristics is its ability to 1. Hibernation. 2. Survive without air. 3. Generate bioluminescence. 4. Regenerate. The answer is 4. Regenerate. Question number 3, isogametes are seen in 1. Cladophora. 2. Fucus. 3. Human beings. 4. Ficus. The answer is 1. Cladophora. Question number 4, which part of the plant bryophyllum performs vegetative reproduction? 1. Stem. 2. Floral buds. 3. Underground roots. 4. Buds on the leaf margin. The answer is 4. Buds on the leaf margin. Question number 5, which animal reproduces by multiple fission? 1. Hydra. 2. Plasmodium. 3. Spongilla. 4. Euglena. The answer is 2. Plasmodium. Question number 6, which asexual reproduction method does not allow cytoplasmic fission? 1. Amitotic division. 2. Binary fission. 3. Division. 4. Budding. The answer is 1. Amitotic division. Question number 7, in which of the following mammal estrus cycle is absent? 1. Cow. 2. Horse. 3. Monkey. 4. Rabbit. The answer is 3. Monkey. Question number 8, parthenogenesis is the development of an organism directly from 1. Female gametes. 2. Vegetative cells. 3. Fertilized ovum. 4. None of these. The answer is 1. Female gametes. Question number 9, find the monoecious plant. 1. Coconut. 2. Cucurbits. 3. Both A and B. 4. Papaya. The answer is 3. Both A and B. Question number 10, which type of stem modification is seen in banana? 1. Stem tuber. 2. Bulb. 3. Corn. 4. Rhizome. The answer is 4. Rhizome. Question number 11, in these organisms, gametes are released in the surrounding medium. 1. Fishes. 2. Amphibians. 3. Mammals. 4. Both A and B. The answer is 4. Both A and B. Question number 12, the plants which bears 2 types of heterospores during sporophytic stage is known as 1. Aplanospores. 2. Somatic spores. 3. Homosporous. 4. Heterosporous. The answer is 4. Heterosporous. Question number 13, which type of vegetative propagation does the following image depict? 1. Rhizome. 2. Tuber. 3. Bulbous. 4. Leaves. The answer is 2. Tuber. Question number 14, which vegetative propagation does the following image depict? 1. By leaves. 2. By nodes. 3. By spores. 4. By flower buds. The answer is 1. By leaves. Question number 15, which of the following is an example of a bulb? 1. Tulip. 2. Oxalis. 3. Bryophyllum degremontianum. 4. Kalanchoe. The answer is 1. Tulip. Question number 16, how are male honeybees born? 1. Parthenogenesis. 2. Fragmentation. 3. Eggs. 4. Spores. The answer is 1. Parthenogenesis. Question number 17, recognize the figure and find out the correct matching. 1. A rhizome, B. Eyes, C. Leaf buds, D. bulbils. 2. A rhizome, B. Eyes, C. bulbils, D. leaf buds. 3. C. Rhizome, D. Eyes, A. leaf buds, B. bulbils. 4. B. Rhizome, A. Eyes, C. leaf buds, D. bulbils. The answer is 2. A rhizome, B. Eyes, C. bulbils, D. leaf buds. Question number 18. Which of the following flowers only once in its lifetime? 1. Mango. 2. Jackfruit. 3. Bamboo species. 4. Papaya. The answer is 3. Bamboo species. Question number 19. Identify, from the following group of animals, which exhibit estrus cycle. 1. Monkey, ape, man, and elephant. 2. Lion, deer, dog, and cow. 3. Lion, dog, monkey, and ape. 4. Cow, monkey, elephant, and ape. The answer is 2. Lion, deer, dog, and cow. Question number 20. In diploid organisms, specialized cells that undergo meiosis are called as 1. Gametes. 2. Enterozoids. 3. Myocytes. 4. Egg cells. The answer is 3. Myocytes. Question number 21. What types of chromosomes are always present in gametes? 1. Haploid. 2. Diploid. 3. Triploid. 4. Tetraploid. The answer is 1. Haploid. Question number 22. Non-flagellate spores are called conidia. In which organism are they seen? 1. Penicillium. 2. Hydra. 3. Amoeba. 4. Chlamydomonas. The answer is 1. Penicillium. Question number 23. Which of the following is not a natural method of vegetative reproduction? 1. Suckers. 2. Cutting. 3. Runners. 4. Offsets. The answer is 2. Cutting. Question number 24. The process of transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma is known as 1. Distribution of pollen grains. 2. Transportation of pollen grains. 3. Formation of pollen grains. 4. Pollination. The answer is the 4. Pollination. Question number 25. During which process cyst is formed? 1. Binary fission. 2. Multiple fission. 3. Sporulation. 4. Budding. Write the answer in the comment box.